Please subscribe and like so that you won't miss follow-up on this stock and other market opportunities. I explain stock ideas that has great potential under 3 minutes, and let's get right into today's topic. Shares of Boeing saw positive growth on Wednesday, September 30, 2020, propelling the Dow Jones Industrial Average into positive territory. Boeing closed at $165.26, moving 1.01% from the previous trading session. Wall Street will be looking for positivity from Boeing as it approaches its next earnings report date. Boeing reported more than $10 billion in negative cash flow for the first half of 2020. At the end of its second quarter, it reported $61.4 billion in debt, compared with $38.9 billion at the start of the quarter, after issuing new debt to bolster its liquidity. Shares of Boeing are down more than 50% year-to-date, hit by a 1-2 punch of issues, with its 737 MAX and airlines scaling back flying due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The 737 MAX has been grounded since March 2019 after crashes in Ethiopia and Indonesia killed 346 people. On Monday, September 28, Olympic Global analyst upgraded Boeing shares to overweight ahead of a return to service for the 737 MAX, saying the recertification should help Boeing become free cash flow positive in 2021. On Wednesday, September 30, Federal Aviation Administration head Steve Dickson flew a 737 MAX 7, the smallest model of Boeing's 737 MAX. The move is seen as an important milestone to get the troubled aircraft airborne again. After a 2-hour test flight, the head of the FAA was upbeat about Boeing's 737 MAX. Dickson told reporters, "I liked what I saw on the flight this morning." The FAA and other regulators' review of the planes and the new training that will need to be approved before the planes can return to service are progressing. That could conclude in the coming months, but Dickson reiterated that the agency has no firm timeline. Dickson said, "We're in the home stretch, but that doesn't mean we're going to take shortcuts to get it done by a certain date." This week, Boeing reportedly will set plans to consolidate 787 Dreamliner assembly in South Carolina, ending production of the jetliner in Washington state. The consolidation of Boeing's 787 production comes as airlines see a massive drop in demand, especially for long-haul wide-body planes like the 787, as restrictions limit travel during the coronavirus pandemic. Boeing has only delivered 42 787 this year, down from 158 in 2019. Boeing will slow the production rate to 6 per month in 2021 versus 10 now. Boeing and European rival Airbus have moved production to southern states like South Carolina and Alabama to employ a cheaper non-unionized workforce. Please like and subscribe to help this video reach more smart investors like you. No one can make better decision for you than yourself, and this is not an investment recommendation.